Hi guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you a quick demonstration and maybe tutorial about the Peugeot new system, the Adaptive Cruise Control or Driver Assist systems. First thing, you do get assist and limit button down underneath on the steering. You can adjust whenever you like to go into each of the mode. Single pressed assist will switch on cruise control. As you can see, there will be no steering assist on the motorway or city driving. If you single click again, go to the last one, it's called driver assist. But if you click again, that's assistance off. So you can change whatever you like on these each systems. Now if you do want to use the cruise control, you have to go to the second one or the last one, driver assist. The difference between the second one, the cruise control, and the last one, driver assist, is about the steering control. As long as the vehicle sees the line marking accurately, then it may help you to steer the steering. Anyway, we're going to do the driver assist this time. The function is identical to the steering assist. So whenever you are driving on a set speed, if you want to switch on the cruise control, make sure you are under the driver assist screen. Go press plus, minus, or OK button, any of them. They can then set your cruise control. Let's say I'll press minus, it'll set at 30, then I can press plus and the minus to change my set speed. You'll see the display on top of the dashboard. It's going to tell you your set speed in a green color. To change the set speed, single press plus and minus to allow you to change that. You can also press and hold to do 5x5s, or single press is 1x1. That's the same to up and down. And the lowest set speed you can set is 30 km per hour. That means if you're driving slower than 30 km per hour on the road, you press either of these buttons to set, it will only set at 30. But if you're driving higher than 30, it will set at whatever the speed you were driving. Alternatively, you can see the speed sign reading 100 right now. You can simply press OK. It says OK question mark. Click OK again. This cruise control speed is now set to 100. Of course, when the speed sign changes, you can also click OK to change a new cruise control set speed. Now, while you're driving, you can also use the right hand button to change the distance between you and the front vehicle. 3 distance to change: far 3 bar, medium 2 bar, near 1 bar. Again, you can change whenever you like. It's going to increase the distance between you and the front car or decrease the distance between you and the front vehicle. And the next one is this button on the left. This is the pause or resume button. Whenever you want to cancel the cruise control, a couple ways to cancel. One way is to press the pause button. It will temporarily pause the cruise control, or you can apply the brake. That will also temporarily pause the cruise control. Whenever the cruise control is paused or not engaged, you see the gray and white signs over there. And then if the cruise control is engaged, you see green colors on this dashboard. Now, while you're driving, while you're moving, you also see the resume sign. Click the cancel or resume button again. That will resume back to 100, just like that. You can also press the assist button to completely disengage the cruise control at the same time, but you won't be able to resume after that because the cruise control function will need to be re-engaged using these 3 buttons, plus OK or minus. Now we're under the traffic. You can also see the steering sign is engaged. If you're not in the right center or if the line marking has not been read by the system, you may not show the steering sign. That just means when the vehicle is moving, it will give you some steering assist or no steering assist depending on the conditions and things like that. Right now it's great, so no more steering assist. But let's say we'll pick up the traffic and start moving, you can see steering assist. So on and off, it may comes on, may comes off. What you want to do, if you want to change to non-steering assist, just use the assist button to go back to the standard cruise control if you do not like any of the steering assist. Now, last bit of the cruise control is about the stop-start traffic. Whenever the vehicle in front of you comes to a complete stop, your vehicle will eventually come to a complete stop following the front traffic, as in it's on cruise control. Now, it will go into a 3-second rule. If the front vehicle stopped for less than 3 seconds, then resumed back to traffic, your car would automatically go back to cruise control without you tapping anything. But if the front vehicle stopped and then stopped for longer than 3 seconds before it went back to driving, then your vehicle does not automatically move back to cruise control. You will just need to manually press the accelerator underneath or press the resume button to get the vehicle back to cruise control. So that's how to work at low and high speed and cruise control settings. Now you can see we stopped for longer than 3 seconds. The vehicle will not automatically move based on the front traffic. That just means I'll just need to gently press the accelerator to get the vehicle in motion, then the cruise control will resume. But if it's under 3 seconds, the car will just automatically go for us. Now we have done the cruise control, let's quickly talk about the speedometer. So click the speedometer, you can see that sign will show up on the display. You can change your speedometer manually by tapping plus or minus. And once you have chosen your speedometer to 50, 65, or push and hold to 70, 75, ongoing, you can then press OK. Once you set OK, it will set your speedometer at 85 now. So that means you do manually drive the accelerator and the brake, but the vehicle will not allow you to go over that certain speed. You can again press OK and OK again to change to the speed sign reading. That just means if the speed sign reads 100, double click OK, makes the speed to 100. So that means the car will not allow you to go over 100. If you wish to cancel it, press the cancel button on the left. That will be cancelled or paused. Then you can press the resume button again to resume, or click OK to go back to the cruise control. Alternatively, press here. That will disengage the whole assisted systems. Alright, that's how everything works under the Peugeot new system, assisted cruise control and also the speed limiter. Hope you enjoy the content. If you do not forget to subscribe. That's the best way to support the channel. As always, I'll see you next video. Thank you very much.